Ready to see home gadgets everyone's rushing to buy right now? These fast-selling Amazon finds combine smart features, everyday convenience, and designs that actually make life easier. From voice-controlled devices to automation tools, they're popular because they genuinely improve how your home works. They're selling out fast for a reason. Check the links in the description to get yours before they're gone. Every step inside is a clean one with this. This sanitizing doormat does something a regular mat never could. It actively disinfects the bottom of your shoes as you walk in, stopping germs, bacteria, and outdoor nasties right at the door. Just add your disinfectant solution, and the absorbent mat does the rest with every single step. It works anywhere foot traffic is a concern, from your front door at home to classrooms, restaurants, and clinics. Simple, practical, and one of those things you'll wonder how you lived without once you have kids, pets, or just a thing about clean floors. Your ceiling is about to become the most talked about thing in the room. These fluffy cotton clouds hang overhead with color-changing LED strips hidden inside, casting a dreamy, color-shifting glow across your entire ceiling. With 16 million colors and over 100 lighting modes, including a dramatic thunderstorm effect, you can set any vibe from cozy to electric. Sync it to music and the lights pulse with the beat, or dial in your perfect scene through the app in about 3 seconds. It's part decoration, part mood lighting, and honestly, one of the coolest backdrops you'll ever have behind you on a video call. This isn't a scale, it's a full body report card. Step on, grab the handle, and in seconds it measures 13 plus metrics across every part of your body individually, telling you exactly how much muscle or fat is in your arms, legs, and torso separately. Unlike regular scales that get thrown off by a glass of water, dual frequency technology reads through your cells accurately no matter when you weigh in. Everything syncs automatically to your phone over Wi-Fi. No tapping, no waiting, and generates a printable report you can share directly with a trainer or doctor. Your lamp has been boring for too long. This one fixes that. The Luna Smart Lamp pumps out 1,000 lumens of light that can display multiple colors at once, painting your walls with whatever mood you're after. A built-in sunrise and sunset effect wakes you up gently in the morning and winds you down at night, naturally nudging your body clock in the right direction. Control it with your voice through Alexa, Siri, or Google, or set schedules from your phone. No hub or extra equipment needed, just plug it in and connect. No gym membership, no commute, no excuses. This compact walking pad fits neatly under a desk or tucks away in a corner, bringing your daily steps home without eating up your whole living room. A 3.0 horsepower motor takes you from a casual stroll to a full jog at up to 7.6 miles per hour, and the sturdy handlebar keeps you balanced whether you're working, watching TV, or actually working out. 6 cushioned layers absorb the impact on your joints so you can go longer without feeling it the next day. It holds up to 350 pounds, folds away easily, and has been stress tested for over 100,000 strikes, built to keep up with you every single day. Your bed just became the most productive spot in the house. This memory foam reading pillow props you up with proper back support so you can sit in bed for hours without that familiar aching slouch. Detachable arms wrap around you on both sides, and one of them has a built-in cup holder so your drink is always within reach. No more balancing mugs on the nightstand. A bonus pillow snaps on to support either your neck or your lower back, depending on what needs it most. Read, work, binge, or scroll in total comfort. This is the setup you didn't know your bedroom was missing. Stuffed animals multiplying faster than you can count them? This fixes that. This tall, transparent tube stands upright on the floor, storing a mountain of plushies while taking up barely any floor space. Think of it as a display case and toy bin in one. The clear body means nothing gets forgotten at the bottom, and a two-way zipper lets kids grab exactly what they want without emptying the whole thing out. Sealed lids on both ends keep everything dust and moisture free. Tidy room, happy kids, and honestly, it looks pretty cute too. Some chairs you sit in. This one you sink into. This oversized Papasan Rocker wraps around you in a wide egg shape, cradling you with a thick, plush cushion from every angle. The steel frame holds up to 350 pounds and is built to handle sun, rain, and everything in between without fading or rusting. A wood grain curved base gives it a warm, stylish look that works just as well on a patio as it does in a living room. Rock, nap, read, or simply do nothing, this chair was made for exactly that. Your personal camera operator, no hiring required. This smart tripod locks onto your face and follows you automatically as you move, rotating a full 360 degrees so you're always perfectly in frame. No app needed, just set it down, do an OK gesture to start tracking, and you're live. A built-in extendable pole raises the height when you need a better angle, and a wireless remote gives you full control without touching the phone. Whether you're filming workouts, cooking videos, or vlogs, it handles the camera work so you can focus on the content. No dryer, no problem, and no ugly plastic rack ruining your aesthetic either. This wooden tripod drying rack brings an actually stylish solution to laundry day, looking right at home in a bedroom, balcony, or living space. It holds up to 45 pounds across multiple arms that you can expand or reduce depending on how big your load is. The tripod base keeps it rock solid even when fully loaded, with no wall support needed. Fold it flat in seconds when you're done and tuck it behind a door, out of sight until next time. Curious toddlers and dangerous cabinets are a combination no parent wants. These adhesive safety locks stick firmly onto cabinets, drawers, fridges, ovens, and toilets. Basically any surface a little one shouldn't be getting into. Adults can pop them open with one thumb, but kids won't figure out the press and slide mechanism anytime soon. No drilling, no tools, and no damage. The industrial-grade adhesive holds tight, but peels off clean with a hairdryer when you're done. Small, cheap, and genuinely one of the most important things you can add to a home with a toddler. The scale tells you one number. This tells you the whole story. This retractable measuring tape tracks the inches your weight loss is actually changing, from your waist to your arms to anywhere else that matters. A pin lock and push button design means you can wrap it, read it, and release it all with one hand. No awkward stretching or asking someone to help. The soft fiberglass tape is flexible enough to follow every curve accurately without digging in or snapping back. You get 3 in the pack, so keep 1 in the bathroom, 1 in your gym bag, and spare. Two free hands while blow drying, it's a game changer you didn't know you needed. This wall-mounted holder grips your hairdryer securely so you can use both hands to brush, style, or just scroll your phone while it does the work. It rotates a full 360 degrees so you can angle the airflow exactly where you want it without repositioning anything. No drilling, no damage. It sticks firmly to any smooth surface like tile, glass, or mirror and comes off clean when you're done. A built-in cord wrap keeps everything tidy, and your counter finally gets the breathing room it deserves. Your cat wants to climb everything, so give them something actually meant for it. This 4-level CatTree hangs right over any standard door, turning wasted vertical space into your cat's favorite hangout spot. Each platform comes with a soft mat, so they'll actually want to lounge up there between their acrobatic sessions. It's solid wood, holds up to 15 pounds per level, and doesn't require drilling a single hole into your walls. Setup takes minutes, and when you want to move it, just lift it off and rehang it somewhere else. Soap scum and soggy bars are officially a thing of the past. This wall-mounted soap dish keeps your bar lifted, drained, and dry between every use. No more puddles, no more mess. A flip lid keeps dust and splashes out, while the built-in drain tray lets water escape so your soap actually lasts longer. It mounts clean to any bathroom wall and brings a sleek, upscale look to a spot that's easy to overlook. Small upgrade, big difference. Pet hair on your black shirt? Right before you leave the house. We've all been there. This mini lint roller fixes that in seconds, and unlike the disposable kind, never runs out. When it loses its stick, just rinse it underwater and it's back to full strength. Good as new, again and again. It's small enough to live in your pocket, your bag, or your glove compartment, so you're always one swipe away from looking put together. One little roller that pays for itself 100 times over. Small laundry items always seem to cause the biggest headaches, until now. This circular drying rack spins a full 360 degrees and holds 24 clips across 6 arms, giving every sock, bra, and baby onesie its own spot to dry properly. It opens wide enough to hang a full load and collapses down to the size of a water bottle when you're done. Toss it on a balcony, hang it in the bathroom, or pack it in your suitcase for trips. It works anywhere. Simple, lightweight, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Big furniture, tiny box. That's the magic here. This compressed sofa arrives vacuum sealed into a compact package that slides through any doorway with zero struggle. Once unpacked, it expands on its own into a full-size, stylish sofa ready for your living room. Flip it flat, and it becomes a proper bed, perfect for guests, lazy afternoons, or small spaces pulling double duty. No tools, no instructions, no headache. Just unpack, watch it bloom, and sit down. No chimney, no wood, no problem. This compact electric fireplace delivers real warmth and a flickering 3D flame effect, complete with authentic crackling sounds from something small enough to sit on your desk. At 1,500 watts, it heats up a room fast, and a built-in thermostat keeps the temperature right where you want it without any fussing. It shuts off automatically if it overheats or tips over, so you can leave it running around kids and pets without a second thought. And when summer rolls around, keep it out anyway. The flame and sound work independently, so it doubles as cozy ambiance all year long. What if cleaning the floors was actually the best part of your kid's day? This genius ride-on car lets kids cruise around while a detachable mop on the bottom does the cleaning for them. Yes, really. 5 adjustable speed settings and a soft start mean you control exactly how fast they go, keeping things safe while keeping the fun wide open. When they're tired of riding, a built-in handle lets them pull it like a suitcase, and a hidden storage compartment swallows up snacks, toys, and whatever else the adventure calls for. It holds up to 160 pounds, so grown-ups can join the ride too. Some things are just better together, and bath time is one of them. This 2-person jetted tub transforms your bathroom into a private spa retreat you never have to leave home for. 10 water jets target your back, legs, hands, and feet with adjustable pressure, melting away tension after even the longest days. Built-in color-changing lights shift the mood with every hue, turning a simple soak into a full sensory experience. Crafted from reinforced acrylic that's scratch-resistant and easy to clean, This tub is built to be your sanctuary for years to come. Your bathtub just got a serious upgrade. This portable spa jet turns any ordinary bath into a full-on hydrotherapy session. No spa booking required. Dual water jets let you target sore muscles exactly where it hurts, while the bubble mode wraps you in a continuous soothing surge. You get 2 settings: powerful massage jets for deep relief, or jets and bubbles combined for that true spa float feeling. It fits any standard tub with adjustable suction cups, and the extra long cord keeps everything safely out of reach from the outlet. Stress doesn't stand a chance against this one. This cordless scalp massager sends 12 flexible rubber-tipped prongs gliding across your entire head in a full 360-degree motion, like having someone give you the world's best head scratch on demand. 3 intensity modes let you dial in exactly the level of relief you need, whether that's a gentle unwind or a deep tension melt. It's compact enough to toss in a bag and use anywhere, from the couch to the office chair. 10 minutes later, it shuts off automatically, right about when you'll have drifted into full relaxation mode. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.